Hello students, now in this session I will explain entire sum number 4 of exercise 2.3 of chapter 2 whole number. Now in question number 4, what we have to do? We have to find the product by using the distributive property, isn't it? So we have already discussed about the distributive property earlier also. Now to multiply these two numbers by using a distributive property, in what form we have to change? We have to change the entire form in this format, that is b plus c, that is a into b plus c format we have to change. So now if we have to change this entire two numbers in this format, then obviously we have to change one of the number in the expanded notation. So which number we have to choose? So this is the number that I will choose for this number, because that will make our multiplication much more easier. So 7 to 8 into, how to write 101 in expanded notation? So that would be 100 plus 1. Okay, now see, it will really become very easy to multiply. Now if you multiply 7 to 8 with 100, so it becomes so easy, isn't it? So 7 to 8, just put 2 zeros. Okay, now put plus sign. Now again you have to multiply this 7 to 8 with 1. So what is the answer? 7 to 8 into 1 will be 7 to 8. Okay, so what is the final answer that we will write? If you add 7 to 800 plus 7 to 8, you will get the answer as 7, 3, 5, 2, 8. So this is your answer for sum number A. So now let's move on to sum number B. So this is sum number B of question number 4. So we have 5347 into 1001. So again we'll expand this particular number. So on the next step, what we have to write? 5347 into, inside the bracket, what we'll write? 1000 plus 1, isn't it? Now you see what we have to do. We have to multiply 5347 with this 1000 also, and 53437 with 1 also. So 5347 into 1000 will give you answer as 5347, and how many zeros are there? 3. So this is the product of 5347 into 1000. And what is the product of 5347 into 1? 5347 only. 5347. Now finally what we have to do? We have to add. Now when we add this two number, we'll get the answer as 5, 4, 4, 2, 4, 3, 7. Okay, so this is the answer of sum number B. Now let's move on to sum number C. This is sum number C. So in sum number C we have 824 into 25. So any one of the number you can expand. So I will choose this number 824. So 824, if you write in the expanded notation, so it will look like 800 plus 24, and this will be multiplied by 25. Okay, so when you multiply 8 into 25, I repeat, because you have to multiply this 800 with this 25 also, and 24 into 25 also. So when you multiply, see 800 is there. First of all, we have to think that there is only 8 is there. So 8 into 25 will give you 200. Okay, and how many zeros were left? 2. So we'll add it here. So it is as easy as this. And now you have to multiply 24 into 25. That will give you 600, students. Okay, so the product of 800 into 25 is 20,000, and 24 into 25 is 600. So when you add this number, you will get the sum as 20600. It was easy. Now let's move on to sum number D. So this is question number D. Now in question number D, we can expand any of one number. Either you can expand this number or you can expand this number. So I will expand this number. Okay. So 4275, if we expand it, so it will look like 4000 plus 275 into 125. Okay, now this time you see this multiplication will become a little bit bigger, isn't it? There is a big multiplication is there. So what is the product of 4000 into 125? So if you multiply 4 into 125, you will get 500. And how many zeros are there now? 3. So we will add 3 more zeros here. So it became 5 lakhs, isn't it? Now the main challenge is to multiply this two, isn't it? So 275 into 125 will give you 34,375. Okay, so when you add this two number, your required answer would be 534,534,375. So this is your required answer of sum number D. Now let's do the last sum, that is sum number E. Now this is sum number E of question number 4. So this time which number will expand? We'll expand this 504. So in the next step, the expanded notation of 504 will write it as 500 plus 4 into 35. Now what if we multiply 500 into 35 and 4 into 35, isn't it? So 500 into 35 will get the answer as 17500. And what is the product of 4 and 35? It would be 140. Okay, so if we add this two number, we'll get the final answer as 17640. Okay students, so that's it for this session. So in my next video, we'll start new chapter. Okay, so till then, God bless you all, stay blessed and take care.